Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are starting a new series, the camping series. Chef Elvis and I are with our Scouts Troop 41st East Bombay, and in this camping series I'm going to try and show you everything which we can cook in the camp and outdoor. So in this first outdoor recipe video, we are making barbecue chicken tikkas on an open fire pit.
So for the recipe, I have with me 750 grams of boneless chicken. I'll put it in a pot. For the marination, I'll put 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and 250 grams of curd.
One pro tip for tenderizing your meat is vinegar. I love it and I use it in many of my recipes. I'm adding 3 tablespoons for 1 kg of chicken. And for the spices of the marinade, I am using 4 tablespoons of red chili powder, two tablespoons of cumin powder, four tablespoons of coriander powder, so here with me I have smoked paprika. It's a little sweet and it gives a very smoky taste to your meat. I'm adding 1 heaped teaspoon. And for tang, I'm using chaat masala, 1 teaspoon. And half a teaspoon of garam masala. Last but not the least, I am adding about 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Now Chef Elvis will mix all this up and marinate it for about 2 hours.
So now I'll add some oil to bind it well and give it a nice mix.
So it's been 2 hours and our chicken is marinated pretty well. Now I have medium-sized skewers. I'll skew some chicken, boneless chickens, and veggies. So now our chickens are skewed. Let's take it to the grill and barbecue them.
So now chicken is cooked and we'll give it a check by scoring the chicken with the knife to check it. Yes, it's perfectly cooked.
If it's white from inside, it's cooked.
So now we'll remove it out and plate it.
So now just to give it a tangy touch, I'll add in some chaat masala from top.
And a nice squeeze of lemon on it.
So that was the first recipe of our camp series. And right now if I don't serve the people behind the camera, wow. Hungry? Then maybe I might not live the next night. So, just like, share, subscribe and share this recipe with your friends and follow me on this camp series. Bye. Take care.